Have you ever wondered if Conda can update packages that you installed using pip? It's a common question among Anaconda users, and today we're going to clear up the confusion. I totally get it. You love using Anaconda because of its extensive package management, but sometimes you need to grab something from PyPI. It can be frustrating to figure out how these two systems work together. Here's the specific question we're addressing today. One user asked, when I run the command conda update all, will it also update the packages I installed from PyPI using pip? This is a great question and one that many users have. To understand this, we need to look at how Conda and pip manage packages. Conda is designed to manage packages from its own repositories, while pip is used for packages from PyPI. They operate independently, which is key to our answer. Stick around, because at the end of this video, I'll share a tip on how to manage your packages more effectively, so you don't run into this issue again. To address the user's question, it's important to clarify how Conda and pip interact. First, when the user installs a package using pip, it is not managed by Conda. Next, when the user runs the command conda update-all, it will only update the packages that were installed using Conda. This means that pip-installed packages will not be updated automatically. To update the pip-installed packages, the user will need to run a separate command. They can do this by using pip list outdated to see which packages need updating. After identifying the outdated packages, the user can update them individually using the command pip install upgrade package name for each package. In summary, the user must manage Conda and pip packages separately. Conda will not update pip-installed packages during its update process. Fun fact, did you know that the name pip stands for pip installs packages? It's a recursive acronym, which is pretty clever. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. One alternative solution involves creating a batch script for Windows. This script automates the process of updating pip packages installed via PyPI. It uses the command conda list to find packages marked with the PyPI tag and then upgrades them all at once using pip install upgrade. Here's a pro tip. Consider using a virtual environment for your projects. This way, you can manage dependencies more easily and avoid conflicts between Conda and pip packages. And there you have it. Remember, Conda and pip are powerful tools, but they need to be managed separately. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks on package management.